आज क्रिकेट की लास्ट डे है सेल्स के लिए एंड आई डोंट वांट यू टू मिस आउट ऑन दीज न्यू लॉन्चेस सो लेट मी शो यू कि क्या क्या न्यू लॉन्च है जो इस सेल में आपको खरीदना चाहिए एंड क्यूट से प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने चाहिए सो लेट मी शो यू। तो नॉर्मल आयरन ऑन तो सबको पता ही है जो सैम्पलर पैक में आता है जिसमें आपके पास 3 कलर्स होते हैं, ये तो नॉर्मल है बट जो न्यू आया है उसका नाम है puff। ये as you know if you've seen Instagram you know कि ये ऐसा puff look दे देता है आपके आर्ट वर्क को, रेस कर देता है। So you can make cushion covers, you can make wall decors, you can make sweatshirts, सब कुछ। I have 3 colors, red, white and black. All are puffy. I will link in my stories. One is normal, one is fluff में थोड़ा texture होगा and इसमें puffiness होगा, so you can give your artwork new dimensions. All right, let's move on to the next project. We have these dual markers like these. एक साइड पे nib है और एक साइड पे marker है. And such nice, lovely colors, you guys. So you can make your own packaging like I am doing. They have some nice pastel colors, all of this. And I can guarantee that these are really nice high quality markers. They last you years, so it's good to invest in these. This is one of my favorite launches. We are talking about pens. We have to talk about these new gel pens. I'm happy that they have some opaque gel pens because it was about time, you guys. 1 mm. You can use them for your packaging, you can use for your cards, for so many different projects of yours. I did not know. Wow, look at these colors. So I'm thinking they will work on black as well. So they can give you that neon finish. Oh my god, these are so cool. And you can always trust Cricut pens and markers and everything because they last you. So grab these. Alright, all love gold and look at these 2 different type of golds. So this is a matte finish vinyl gold and this is a glossy vinyl. So it's not called adhesive foil anymore. It's permanent vinyl, so it won't go anywhere. Look at the packaging, you guys. Yes, so now you can use these for your resin projects. Just put it in your machine, the smart vinyl, and get the work done. Our beautiful color launch is this sparkly light blue. Look at this. This is again smart vinyl. You can use this for your bottle as they've done it here. Even mugs, I feel like. Look at this beautiful color. Can you see? It's light blue and shimmer. Grab this. Just 1200. Very unique color. Then another good product is the smart stencil. So you remember I had this whole video on how to make your own stencils. So you can use, instead of paper, you can use this stencil because this is, इसमें इतना ज़्यादा stickiness नहीं है इस वाले vinyl में. So you can peel it off without leaving any residue and everything. So it's for wall decal or if you want to. So base painting, you know, आजकल बहुत सारे canvas bags में people are doing workshops जिसमें you can use this on fabric. ये आपको सिर्फ मिल जाएगा 800 का and because sale is going on तो बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ता भी मिल सकता है and you can even use my coupon on the website to get it even cheaper. My coupon code is DOLCRI5 and you will get a good percentage off. This is not a new product but this is value vinyl which I absolutely love. And अगर आप new हो cricket में, you've just got the machine, get this. Don't get any other vinyl, just get this pack. This has 50 vinyls and you can watch another video of mine. This में मैंने पूरा दिखाया the amazing colors they have, pastels, and you get about 50 sheets. So grab this, ये भी sale पे है. And yeah, and you can even add my coupon code for extra discount. But yes, this is a previous launch, but I still stand by this. आज last day है, तो इसके बाद prices बढ़ सकते हैं. So today is the best time to buy them. Alright, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about stencil, then do watch one of my videos on YouTube. Decorate your own wall or something. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.